amazing, but life has just been honestly super chaotic for me. I'm randomly living in this big ass truck with this lovely gentleman, Marvin.
How's it going, Oz?
Traveling up the coast of Australia. We're calling ourselves the Runaways because we kind of ran
away. My truck's name is Nyati, that's Kiswahili for the buffalo, representing my spirit animal. And yeah, welcome all the beautiful people of the world to come and join me, whoever feels free. And this lovely person,
this crazy lady,
was free, so I gave her a ride in my truck. Now we're here.
Sounds so wrong. Yeah, let's introduce you to some of the members of the crew, and yeah, come with us later. But behind the camera we have Maggie from Portugal.
Okay, back there is Jackson. He's preparing the fire. He's from Australia.
Yeah, he cuts all the firewood, makes massive fires.
All the time.
We've got Lindy. She's a Dutch girl that we picked up somewhere in the countryside of New South Wales.
Where you find usually Dutch girls.
Yeah.
Carl Ivo. He is the older brother of my best friend. He's from Namibia.
We've got Johnny. He's the German who came with Charlotte, the French. They're in another car. And then of course us. But we're the coolest, obviously. So let's show you our truck.
Welcome to Poppy's little private birthday party.
That's racist.
Oh, guys, what's for dinner?
Oh yeah, so today we have this.
So babe, this song is about you, about you, about you.
I'm gonna lift this blanket. I'm gonna shock you guys. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you guys ready?
Are you guys ready? All right, let's go see the van truck.
Should I grab it?
No, it's okay. It's kind of scary, but.
Bamboo steps.
All right, we are inside the van. Welcome to
Nyati.
Nyati, humble abode.
The buffalo. The humble boat, exactly. I like that.
So show us, give us the grand tour.
So, the couch. Here we got all our cameras, equipment, yours and mine, and
all the stuff in there.
Exactly, bathtub, lots of books. I love to read. We got a hammock here, beautiful hammock that stretches across. So when Poppy doesn't behave, she has to sleep in the hammock.
Which happens quite a lot.
quite a fair bit. Yeah, and then here, beautiful big fridge because we're always a lot of people.
Yeah, we actually just broke the fridge because we stuffed it so much in here.
Exactly.
We are hungry eaters. We're
working
backpackers,
again,
but we eat well.
Exactly, and it's working again, so I'm very glad for that.
Yeah.
Always have some music. The elephant that always follows me because I grew up in Africa, and it's very dear to me.
So you have to have elephants with you, or
exactly, and then.
Well, show us like more of the shelf space. Oh, it looks nice.
What do we have here? This is all our dried stuff. We've got a little bit of onions and cans. And
all the
here
spices
we
and sauces.
Spices and garlic, tahini. I have no idea what to do with tahini. Apparently it's great. Yeah, my stove, I'm very proud of this. The entire thing it was given to me. Everything you see in here I just collected during the last 12 months, and this beautiful piece of wood used to be a kitchen counter at a backpacker at a hostel, and they wanted to throw it away, and I refurnished it and made this beautiful piece. This is my sink in here underneath all the fruits. It's not installed yet, but it's gonna be very soon. Here we got the liquor licenses.
So many spices and oils. So much food, cabinets, laundry.
Yeah, in here, this is where we store our nuts. Whoops, let me move it around. Yeah, some nuts in there, because everybody goes crazy for nuts nowadays. Little bit of a cup of tea, Madeira, for all of us. Very basic, to be honest. Beautiful, but basic. Also, this thing was given to me, refurnished. This one was on the side of the road, and basically, yeah, everything. This is the slide-out bed. This is my pride and joy. This is where I go. This is where the magic happens, as they say. Even though I'm not a magician yet. So this one slides in and out as I choose. Got a little TV.
I'm gonna come up there. Wait. Oh, there's some other crew members down there. Oh no!
Yeah, what else is there to say? As I said, I love to read, so I have a lot of books.
Got all these bookshelves here.
Exactly. Yeah, a little bit of love.
So one thing though about this, like it looks all nice here, but how many times have we actually pulled out this bed?
It always, first of all, always
Always
as
if we
long
can.
as it's warm and it's not raining.
Yeah.
And because we're still in the end of winter right now, that is why we haven't pulled it out. Last night it wasn't pulled out. Because we had to move the truck, but today it's out, and it's going to be out until we move the truck again.
So this is like a king size bed, yeah?
That
Or
is
no,
a
this
queen
one.
size, and that is a
This
king
is a king,
size.
yeah.
And back there is a king single.
And then the hammock that comes here, which I often do sleep in.
We used to live maximum like 11 people in here, and now it's 4 of us, and
So we can put 3 in here,
3 in there.
3 or 4 here, 2 in that single, 1 in the hammock.
And there used to
Maybe
be
somebody
another
up on the
hammock.
roof if they're really that bad.
Yeah. So yeah, little hatch as well, very important for when you have the bed slid in and you still want to see the stars. That's why we got this
You can just be right here and come
little
up.
roof hatch. Now we actually, Tuesday, today is Sunday, Tuesday we're gonna build a roof rack, and then all of this is gonna be covered in solar panels and beautiful wood, and we get to build some poles, put
Yeah,
the
because
hammocks
that's,
out.
oh, that's really bright. But that's been actually a big problem, is that we, you need power for a lot of stuff. Like there's a lot of lights in here. This whole place lights up at night, but you need to plug that in. So
Yeah.
when we get solar panels, that'll fix that problem, and it's better for the earth. This is the other side, which is kind of pretty bright. I do a lot of yoga up there. Marvin dries up there after his shower, naked drying session. Yeah, let's keep showing the inside. Oi!
So in here, this is Poppy's space. When she came here, I was like, Poppy, don't leave your shit everywhere. So
I get a shower!
it is.
And I even helped, I built this thing so that my stuff wouldn't fall out.
That it's not on the floor all the
And
time. The
It's pretty poorly done though,
instant
that's the
natural
thing.
proteins she needs.
Yeah, all my vitamins.
And then yeah, this one is really nice because that's like a little table that folds up as well. You can put it out here, eat something, whatever you want to do, and then close. Very simple. Not going to show you this one because that is absolutely a mess.
Is it messy in there?
Very.
Is
You want to
this
have a
place ever
peek?
messy?
It's never messy. Trust me.
This truck always looks like this.
What else can I show you?
Ah, the mirror!
The mirror, exactly.
This is the best. I think this is so good. Oh,
That's why you like the hammock so much, because you can
so
watch
I can
yourself.
just watch myself as I sleep.
Yeah, what else is there to show?
Here's
In here we got all the cupboards. We have a lot of stuff outside right now for cooking, so it's not all in here. That's why it's a little bit messy. Lots
this
of
is a little
pasta.
bit messy.
Yeah, I mean,
I should have seen this before we cleaned it.
no, that's okay.
We've
too
got
bad.
gas here. Over here we've got.
It's not.
These are some tools and stuff for when things break. Which do things ever break in here?
Never. Never. It's African engineered. Shit can never break in here. Trust me.
Yeah.
So yeah, the gas is definitely not a good solution to have that inside. I know that, guys, but that's why we just got a welder and we're gonna weld the roof rack. We're gonna fix the stove, the gas situation, and we're also gonna weld the toolbox on the outside so we have more space underneath the bed. If you guys want to come with, I'll show you the outside.
Wait, really quick.
Yep.
We have to go. You need to explain your whole idea here because I just think it's a little bit crazy.
Yeah, so why did I build this truck, or why did I buy this truck is I walked through Africa for 2 years and 32,000 kilometers without money, and experienced a lot of love from complete strangers, and got stuck in Kenya, met some very, very wonderful people there. Helped build a festival, and then I traveled on a boat called the Musafir with a guy named Paolo, and he built this massive dhow without an engine and 2 masts, and absolutely beautiful, and he invited all these people from all over the world to come and join him on an adventure around the world. And I was lucky enough to be a part of that crew, and all these people showed me so much love in a situation where I could just receive and I couldn't give. And there I decided, you know, I tried to find a truck, travel the world, and try to give back to the people. So now what I'm doing is finding beautiful people like Poppy and all the others, and just trying to create some magic together, travel together, find purpose in things. And
now we're all roomies.
Yeah, we're all roomies, exactly. So next year I want to ship the truck to Vietnam, from Australia to Vietnam, and then drive from Vietnam all the way on the coast of Asia to Europe, the Middle East, Europe, up to Norway to visit my brother, go to as far to the North Pole as I can go, and then I want to travel down to Namibia, where my best friend is from, and want to drive. And I bought this truck with him, and I want to drive it to his farm in Namibia.
All right, let's see the front of the van. I wanted to really quickly say though, he wants to put a shower here, right in this area as well, one day. That'll be interesting.
So that Poppy can have a shower.
So I can have a shower. There's no showers, okay? Where am I supposed to get cleaned? It's hard. Van life is hard.
So yeah, Mercedes-Benz, follow the star, very important. The 3 wise men always followed the star. That's how they got to Jerusalem. That's why I bought a Mercedes-Benz. It's also the most built truck in the world. Big 4-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, let's go to the inside.
So it's an go anywhere kind of truck. It used to be a refrigeration truck. That's why we still have minus 60. It's right now minus 60. And yeah, feel free to have a look.
Oh, yeah.
Big old steering wheel, no power brakes, no power steering, nothing.
Can you tell us how fast you can go?
I can up the hill or down the hill. So up the hill 25 max, down the hill 80, but that's sketchy. So, and cruising speed is 70, and that's
so
as good. Pole pole, as we say in Africa. Slowly. Yeah, big old mud tires, and as I said, 4-wheel drive. Otherwise, we wouldn't have gotten in here, because as you can see, we're making very deep holes into the mud.
Let's see the back. Here's some of the other crew members. We should blur this all out. It's super messy over here. This is actually what our stuff looks like.
So yeah, and this is the magic of the slide-out bed. It's very, very African engineered by two Namibians and me.
This is where Marvin does his pull-ups and swings.
Exactly. Not now though. That's me. Not on camera.
Show us your muscles.
No. So here we have a lot of storage space that you can access. There's the toolbox behind it and all the nasty stuff that you don't want to see. And then when you get out the bed and you come here, and you get to enjoy the view on the beach or wherever you are. Here I'm enjoying this beautiful. Look, we have a fashion show going with curtains.
What do we have, like some? What are these like? We're gonna light some torches or something.
So yeah, this is basically it. The wine gang always in it.
Let me get this from the back. Woo, you look so nice. Chilling hard.
Feels so nice as well. The only thing I need is an ice cold bottle of Prosecco and it's super.
Yeah, guys, could you bring us a bottle of Prosecco, please?
Yeah, always sponsoring, you know, Prosecco.
Oh yeah, if anybody wants to sponsor us, Prosecco companies, we drink quite a bit of Prosecco. You know, life on the road is rough. We need some bubbles.
Exactly.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the van. Follow me at Where's Poppy on Instagram if you want to see lots and lots of stories of van life and all of the fun adventures. Anything else you want to say?
Love you guys.
Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.
See you.
With this lovely gentleman, Marvin. Want to introduce yourself?
I'm Marvin. That's it. Very basic, very simple. Following the sun.
Following the sun. Actually, can we restart this? Sorry.
Thanks. I didn't know what to do with my hands.
Oh no! I don't want to be in the shot.